Sri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 5th Subject Science.
Good morning to my dear students. Welcome to 5th standard online class. In the previous class, we completed first lesson. We learned structure of seed, germination, dispersal, agriculture, stages of agriculture and types of crops. Today in this session, we are going to learn the book back exercise in lesson 1. Those who are having science book, see the book in page number 19. Those who are not having science book, note the answer in your rough note. Shall we start? Lesson 1, growing plants. Phillips. First one, the seed pod has dash for water to enter and help the seed germinate. The options are seed leaves or a tiny hole. The answer is a tiny hole. Second one, to ensure that plants do not grow too close to one another. Some plants dash. The options are multiply using roots and stems or scatter their seeds far away. The answer is scatter their seeds far away. Third one, roots of dash can grow into new plant. The options are dahlia, potato. The answer is dahlia. Fourth one, manure and fertilizers add dash to the soil. The options are water or nutrients. The answer is nutrients. Fifth one, crops grown from June to October are known as dash. The options are kharif or rabi. The answer is kharif crops. Second, write true or false. First one, a young seedling gets its food from the cotyledons. It's true. Second one, all seed need air, water and warmth to germinate into seedlings. It's true. Third one, a maple seed is dispersed by explosion. It's false. Why? Because a maple seed is dispersed by wind. Here, the maple seed is dispersed by explosion. So, this statement is false. Fourth one, carrots store extra food in their stem. It's false. Why? Because carrot is growing from root and the food is stored in their root. But the food is stored in their stems. So, it is an incorrect statement. Fifth one, farmers use scarecrows to keep birds away from the fields. What is scarecrows? The scarecrows is a figure usually made of sticks. It's look like a human being. It's dressed in old clothes. A farmer puts a scarecrows in a field after he has planted seeds because scarecrows frighten the birds away from the field. It's true. Third, choose the correct option. First one, which of these can help us to grow new plants? The options are A, seeds, B, stem cuttings, C, roots and leaves, D, all of this. The answer is D, all of this. Second one, what do seeds need to germinate? The options are A, air, B, water, C, warmth, D, all of this. The answer is D, all of this. Third one, which of these parts of a seed store food for the baby plant? The options are A, root, B, seed leaves Another name for seed leaves is cotyledon. C. Stems. D. Seed hole. The answer is B. Seed leaves. Fourth one, which of these can be grown from roots? The options are A. Turnip, B. Beetroot, C. Radish, D. All of this. The answer is D. All of this. Fifth one, which of these can be grown from stem cuttings? The options are A. Potato, B. Rose, C. Dahlia, D. Ginger. The answer is B. Rose. Sixth one, which of these is not a stage of agriculture? The options are the field is ploughed, B. Seeds are sown, C. Stems of crops are cut, D. The fields are irrigated. The answer is C. Stems of crops are cut. Seventh one, which of these protects crops from pests? The options are A. Pesticides, B. Manure, C. Fertilizers, D. Irrigation. The answer is A. Pesticides. Eighth one, which of these crops do not depend on the monsoon rains? The options are A. Crops grown on terrace farms, B. Kharif crops, C. Rabi crops, D. All of this. The answer is Rabi crops, C. Fourth, match the columns. There are two columns, column A, column B. Match the correct answer for the following. First one, radish. Radish is an example for the new plants growing from root. Second one, bryophyllum is an example for the new plants growing from leaves. Third one, potato is an example for new plants growing from stem. Fourth one, cockleburr is an example for seed dispersal by animals. Cockleburr have a spines. Fifth one, bean seed is an example for seed dispersal by explosion.